Hey guys, okay, sorry. Hi, Tobi Peter here, and in this episode, I'm going to be prank calling my friends. Now, this is one of my most recent purchases. I got it when I was browsing. I was browsing Jumia one night, and I decided to cop one of these. And a lot of my friends don't have the number on this phone yet, so we're going to be calling them today. And I'm going to be pranking them. So the first person I'm starting with is no one other than Black Dave. Hopefully it will be loud enough for you to hear. Black Dave. No, if I call him, let me try it again. It doesn't pick. I'll try another person. I think I'm going to pretend to be a dispatch rider for Black Dave. Yes. I said, hello, I'm bringing something to your house. User busy. Let's say Black Dave is probably another call, or maybe it doesn't pick unknown numbers. I don't think that's the case. Let me go to the next person because we have a long. Oh, he's calling back. Hello, sir. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm dispatch rider.
Yeah.
I'm at your gate, sir.
Which gate? Estate of my house.
Estate gate, sir.
Okay, hold on, let me send the code to you.
It's probably expecting something because how did he just fall for that? Shit, I wish I did something that make me ask him more questions. Okay, let him send me the code first. The guy didn't even ask from where or what am I bringing. Let me call him back. Let me know his code. So we're going to call him back and change it for him. That I'm waiting outside. Sun is hot. That she send code. Hello, okay, I don't dey outside since now. Send code now. I don't dey outside.
Check you now, check your message now.
Okay. Oh, I don't hear. I dey come. Let me see if he actually sent me a message. You know what? I said, I'm calling him again. I said, okay, I don't see the. Okay. Oh gosh, now I don't see the message, yo.
Check your normal message now. I mean, use nobody. I don't have.
He never drop, Oga.
No, for you.
Oh my god, let me start looking for the next person. Hello? Hello, Oga?
601
601
8832.
8832. Okay. I beg if you come downstairs, they come outside now. I come your house now. Okay. They come. Let me call him again and tell him that the thing is, he'll probably not come and pick it up by himself, but let's speak out of this phone so I can hear properly. Alright. And why nobody come pick up? No be white gate.
Just give it to the security now. I think give it to security for flat 4.
Now flat 4, there's nobody there now.
You did flat 4, okay? You cannot be in flat 4 now.
She be na white gate. I don't see that one. That flat 4, they tell me oh God, this your estate, they confuse me. Oh.
What do you mean when they go? Ask if you look at the place where you go, ask now. Ask them for number.
Relax, guy. Na Tobi Peter. So just give me code. I said I will dispatch. Just give me code.
What is wrong with you?
It just suit me die.
So,
Yeah, not this much. Nothing for you. Nothing for you.
Ah, good.
I would be like, just that new phone I got. Now the number be this. Have you seen it?
Jesus.
I love this. So that was Black Dave. Crazy stuff. Next up, we're going to be calling Smeeze from Smeeze and Din, and I'm going to be imitating Hausa man.
The number you're calling is currently switched off or out of coverage.
You know what? Let me call his name Extreme. Okay, let me call him Extreme. What's wrong, everybody? So next up on the list is Black culture. All these DJs, they don't used to keep their phone close to them. We'll be back for Black culture. So I want to do Dope Caesar now. Let me call Dope. And I'll tell her I'm a bank manager, that there's money entering our accounts. But we need to confirm. Yeah. So hopefully she will pick. Because I just called Black culture now, I did not pick. Bamilo Nigerian DJs. Hey, Kalabongo. Let me find the next culprit. Alright, so yeah, it's a different day because I had to leave that space I was, but let's continue our prank calls. Our next person on the list is Smeeze. I'm going to try Smeeze again. When I tried him last time, his number was switched off. I'm going to be pretending to be Hausa man that is making calls to the wrong number. So let me hear from him.
The number you're calling is currently switched off or out of coverage. Please try again later.
Okay, you know what? Let me try another person. So I'm moving on to DJ Bioski or Bioski. Yeah, I'm going to call it. And I'm also going to do the Hausa man thing because I must get them frustrated. Alright, calling Bioski. Ya Mazare. Ya Mazare ya La Mara kai. Lord Mazar. Yalla Mazar. Yo. Dogo mema. Dogo. Yalla.
Wrong number.
Bruh.
First of all, I don't know if that was Bioski's voice, or maybe his mom or someone else with his phone, but Dogo. I swear this, I was asking the street like Belle. Next person. No. The thing is, I do it again. It's not Bioski that I want to be Bioski himself getting frustrated.
Just try again.
Let me
Let me calm down, listen to it.
wait, is this the right number? Yeah, I'm calling the wrong person. I swear I missed one number. Hey, that's too bad for her. Let me call the actual. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. Let me call the actual Bioski now. Alright, calling Bioski now. I don't know where that random person is, but all the best to her. Aha, needs the real Dogo. This Nigerian DJs want to move phone, Danny. You know they hold their phone. So as you can see, Bioski and Smeeze don't keep their phones with themselves. Now I'm going to be going to 67. I'm going to be calling 67 now. Dogo. I recognize number. Well, like this guy don't block in name. So as you can see, my DJ friends are not available. I'm gonna try and text my non-DJ friends, or call my non-DJ friends, starting with Fisayo. Calling Fisayo right now. Yalam Azan, you go to Nakam.
What?
Lemas a bona Nakai, Dogo.
I
Limas,
Hausa.
hi again.
I don't speak Hausa.
Lamak.
Okay.
I don't speak Hausa. It's my Hausa that is my speak Hausa that's syllable. Oh my god.
I call her again.
Wallahi, I'm calling her again. Calling her again. Dogo. Bye, Mazanai. Bokina.
Hello?
Bon Mazane. Ya makajeri kazan.
Hello?
Makayana Zariano.
Hello?
Ya Masarakia.
Yes,
Dambana Masakawai.
Isayo.
Fikayo.
That's Isayo.
Keo kama yemo ya fikayo kona.
I don't speak this language.
Fikayo.
I don't speak this language.
Yamara haya. Yo! Okay, my head was about to explode. You laugh. I was holding. My God. Shakola want to find out confess. Oh, you confess now.
Confess now. What kind of sweet?
See, I think I'll do normal friends instead of DJs. I think I'll continue to do my normal friends instead of DJs.
Crying, stupid.
Don't go. Fikayo. Fikayo. Hey, Tobi Peter. I'm going to get. Fikayo. Kai, walay Tobi Peter kan leba.
What?
Fikayo, it's Tobi Peter. Sorry. Can you hear me? Oba, Tobi Peter, anyone? Fikayo, walay, okay today.
I'm screaming.
So annoying.
Oh my God. And they say, I don't speak Hausa.
She said, it's Fisayo.
They correct me. How are you? Can you hear me?
No, yes, so annoying.
This is my new number. Feel free to save it or risk being pranked again.
Here's the number.
Yeah, this is my new number. I still have the phone number though, but like, this is my flip phone's
Can I
number.
ask you something?
Yeah, ask me.
To be honest with you, at your big age, you're prank calling people.
You're lucky I did not do. I see, my friend I did for the first person I did it for, I told him there's a dispatch at his gate.
Which language was that? Which language was that?
That was gibberish, man. I was just chatting shit, man. Oh.
Well, it just sounded like. It actually sounded like Hausa.
Like I was, yes, no, then they call wrong number every time. Alright, so now as you can see, I think it's more fun to do my normal, okay, not normal friends, but like my non-DJ friends, because my DJ friends are not picking up their phones. So now I'm going to be calling Morayo, sugar mommy of the friend group. Oh no, as usual, we're going with the Hausa man approach. Dogo. Ya masake na jeb. Imaka na tunai mono ne?
I should wait, Uncle. I'm doing work too. Leave me.
Sai mo na kena sai?
Wrong number.
Ay mo so na kaya mo. Wala mo. Alright, so I'm going to call her again. She's currently at work, so I want to frustrate her properly. Hopefully she'll be able to stay long enough for me. Hopefully she'll be able to stay long enough for me to actually tell her it's me. Oga, I call you, you hang up call. Why now, Oga?
Wrong number. You're calling
Oga, I call you, Oga. Chemani kazali ma yala zai.
What are you speaking with? Who do you want to speak to?
Oga, you are.
Who do you want to talk to?
Oh, it's Sulaimon.
Sulaimon. Who is it? Does this sound like Sulaimon?
Bruh.
Oga. Oga.
Check the number you're calling again, please. This is the wrong number.
One call over. Check the number you're calling again. This is the wrong number. I tell her it's me now.
But give us small.
I will tease her small. I need to buy more credits. Oga, I call now. You I won't talk to Oga.
Yeah, let me see you call. Oga, you tell me to make wait for my 12 tomatoes.
So she's kind of frustrated already, but we're gonna just call her and come clean now. Imagine she's doing some very important task and not just to be there. We are changing it for one meeting. Don't go pick on her.
Yeah, where's can we call?
No, I have to confess. I cannot let this thing go. Before she doesn't say this number because she blocked me. She's not picking up. Damn. So we're going to be visiting our very own black culture. Okay, so calling black culture now. From Access Bank. We're going to be his bank manager from Access Bank.
Tell him to give his BVN.
Freaking DJs, man. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello?
Yeah, this is Mr.
Yes, please.
Yeah, this is Mr. Sodiq from Access Bank.
Okay.
So, sorry, may I speak?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So, there's some amount of money supposed to come to your account, but it has been flagged before coming in. So you have to confirm that you're expecting the amount before we can go ahead and proceed with the transaction.
It's my Access Bank.
Your Access Bank, yes.
Which of my accounts?
Bro, I swear, you don't catch me. Do you know who's speaking though?
I found now.
Oh shit, Shapiru. Do you know who's speaking though? This is not the first time I've called you. I called you like 2 times, like 3 days ago. You know they pick call.
This number that's calling me, I don't pick random numbers.
You don't pick random numbers. So you know the person who do romantic things for you. Surprise romantic things.
I don't
SMS.
like pick random numbers, unless I'm expecting a call.
No, true, sure. Fair. Alright, now make I go to my next victim.
Nice one. 1-0 now. Nice one.
It's not 1-0. I better go, no scores though. Morayo, please. Morayo, please pick this call. Let me just clear my name. Let me confess my sins. Oga? Oga? Morani Keji. Morani. You shut up. Can you hear me?
Why you were like?
So I don't know the voice and the name that I called you.
I don't know. Just give my boss his phone. Nah, I don't know who they call Oga.
Okay, guess. Who could be doing this kind of thing that you know?
I don't know.
SMH. Yeah, the person's name starts with O.
Oh, thank you. Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah, we.
Is your sugar baby?
My sugar. Oh, but
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Dogo, Oga, wale, I want to speak with Sulaimo. I had a feeling before shooting at work. That's why I called you now. Make an add to Ram.
You're not serious.
Anyway, this is my new number. My dad will save it.
Alright, then.
Alright, talk to you later.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. Alright, we've come to the end of the video. Oh my god, that was so much fun. The moral lesson from this is DJs never hold their phones, and your friends are not DJs are most likely to pick up your call when you call them than your DJ friends. See you guys in the next video.